Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, good. Before we start our lesson today, I wanted to check your absent today. Jadi, saya akan mengabsen siapa yang hari ini nggak masuk. Oke. Siapa yang nggak masuk hari ini? No one? Oke, good. Bagus, semua masuk ya hari ini. Oke. Do you still remember our material last week? Ada yang ingat materi kita minggu lalu itu apa? Coba, mungkin Reza, you can answer it. Kok diam aja, nggak tahu. Siapa yang bisa? Oh, okay. Please, Nabila. Yes, that's right. Our material last week, we are study about comparison degree. Kita udah, saya kemarin minggu lalu sudah menjelaskan sedikit atau tentang pengertian comparison degree. Mungkin kalian ada yang ingat? Okay. The definition of comparison degree is to compare an adjective or an adverb of two or more than two subjects. So, and then comparison degree or degree of comparison have three kinds of that. So, macam-macam comparison degree itu ada tiga. There are first positive degrees, second comparative degree, and the third is superlative degree. So the next material akan saya tampilkan PPT. Jadi silahkan dibuka dulu bukunya. Sedangkan saya akan mempersiapkan PPT-nya. Okay, today we are study about the chapter 9. Is bigger is not always better. Jadi kita hari ini belajar chapter 9, judulnya Bigger is not always better. So please open your book. Yes, this the first slide is pengertian fungsi dan bentuk. Degrees of comparison adalah adjective, kata sifat yang digunakan untuk menyatakan tingkat perbandingan. Fungsinya adalah untuk membandingkan benda dengan sifat yang dimilikinya. Dan bentuk-bentuknya degrees of comparison ada tiga tadi ya. Positive degrees, comparative degrees, and superlative degree. The first is comparative degree. Kita yang sering digunakan saja. Comparative degree digunakan untuk menyatakan bahwa keadaan suatu benda atau orang lebih dari yang lainnya. Tambahkan akhiran R pada adjektif yang pendek, umumnya terdiri dari satu atau dua suku kata, gabungkan dengan kata than. Untuk kata sifat adjektif yang lebih panjang, lebih dari dua suku kata maksudnya, itu umumnya didahului dengan kata more. Before kata sifat, and then diikuti dengan kata then. The pattern of comparative degree is a subject plus to be plus comparative adjective or more plus than plus object. For example, she is more beautiful than her mother. Her hair is better than mine. The next is superlative degree. Superlative degree digunakan untuk menyatakan bahwa suatu benda atau orang yang tunggal adalah paling atau ter dibandingkan lainnya atau jamak. Tambahkan akhiran as pada kalimat adjektif yang pendek dan didahului dengan kata sandang the. Untuk kata sifat atau adjektif, yang lebih panjang, more long, lebih dari 2 suku kata, umumnya didahului dengan kata most sebelum kata sifat itu, tetap didahului dengan kata the. The pattern of superlative degree is a to be plus superlative adjective using the most or else. For example, he is the laziest boy in his office. Second is, this is the most expensive car. And the last, her acting is the best among others. And then irregular adjectives. There is an adjective, comparative, and superlative. Adjective may be, for example, good. In the comparative, better. In the superlative is the best. Bad in the comparative is worse. In the superlative, the worst. Adjective of little, comparative is the less, and the superlative the less. Adjective old, comparative, older or elder, superlative, the oldest or the eldest. And then the last, adjective of far. In the comparative, farther or further, superlative, the farthest or furthest. For example, Italian food is better than American food. Second, my mother's cooking is worse than your mother's cooking. The last of all students in the class, Meg is the worst. As plus adjective plus as. To compare people, places, events, or things when there is no differences. For example, Peter is 24 years old. Johan is 24 years old. Peter is as old as Johan. Second, Moscow is as cold as St. Petersburg in the winter. Third, Einstein is as famous as Darwin. And the last, a tiger is as dangerous as a lion. The next, the same plus noun plus as. To compare people, places, events, or things when there is no differences. For example, first, Ronaldo has the same skill as Messi. Second, my cat has the same spot as your cat. Third, she has the same character as my sister. Okay, penggunaan less. Less and more have opposite meanings. For example, Charles is more confident than Arnold. And the next is Arnold is less confident, Arnold is less confident than Charles. Okay, I think enough for the lesson today. Our lesson today about comparison degree. I want to say thank you for your attention and selamat belajar. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.